I was just waiting for my climb, and this kind of caught my eye. Look at this beautiful sky. This river, Delaware River, and trees and sky and this little boat in there. You can take a photo and then put it as a canvas. And the sound of this, what do you call this? A wave, right? A small wave. And it's just all blended so perfectly. Isn't that, look at, just take your time and look at this beautiful view. Isn't that awesome? God gave us such a beautiful world. We just have to enjoy it. And it's just like, look at, just don't go too far. Look at this beautiful, there's flowers. Oh my God, look at all these colors. Oh my goodness. Wow. Isn't that awesome? All right, look at this beautiful, it's just, look at it. Just take your time and look at this. Trees and this river. Oh my God. I can't get enough of this. Beautiful. That guy must be having really fun. But yeah, I'm just impressed every time I see this.